Dude, secret hill terrain.
Dude, even combive hates it.
Dude, I think we're cooked. It's furnace. Okay, oh my god, dude, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Wait, does this mean furnace is finished?
No, I don't think furnace is finished because I heard that combive was doing like some sort of bet. If he won Cream Hill like 5 times, then he'd get furnace, and he actually did it.
Oh my god, that's actually funny. Dude, go stun that thing.
Oh my god, I'm actually scared.
Stun that thing. Go stun that thing.
I am not stunning him.
No, Goose is already down. Hell no. Knuckles is already about to die. Oh my god.
Wait, why does it seem actually a banger though?
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't want to go against Furnace. Dude, my display keeps flashing on my damn screen. Oh my god, Knuckles is on the verge of death.
Holy.
No, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared! Oh my god! Shoot it!
Well, did you hear his theme though?
A little. Oh no, bro. Oh no, bro. Oh no, bro. Oh no, bro. Oh my god, bro, I'm scared. I'm scared, I'm scared! Cream. 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 You need to run. Okay, but that thing was actually a banger.
Bro! Dude, what have you done?
I was trying to save her! Bro! That thing was actually a banger though, low-key. Oh shit. Who was gonna revive her? What the fuck? Help! Help! Oh my god, bro.
Dude, bro, what do you expect us to do? It's furnace!
Dude, no one was near!
It's furnace.
No one was near me, bro. No one. Where was my team at?
Dude, we ain't sending that thing.
You little wimps, you little cowards.
Shut up, bro.
You little cowards. Ooh.
What do you expect us to do?
Survive. Does he have an indicator? Oh my god, I'm scared, dude. Hell no. Dude. Oh my god. Well, she did it. Hell no, bro. No. Look what he said. I think you should start fearing for your own life. I'm not stunning that thing. You guys, you're on your own.
Wimp.
Shut the fuck up.
You call me a wimp.
I know. I'm on my last life. I'm like you. Oh god, he's gonna kill Tails. Just him to go. Tails stun metal. Go stun that thing. So does he have like an indicator or something? And Tails is dead. Oh my god. I need to be fast as fuck to outrun this thing. No, 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 no! Help!
I'm not sending that
He's
thing.
gonna have to me. He's gonna have to me. He's gonna have to
I
me.
can't send him. I just can't. Dude, he can hit multiple times. I can't. If I try helping you, I'm gonna be dead.
I have the Tails shadow combo and he's so faster than me.
See, that's why I'm not helping. It's because he's too overpowered.
I don't have a healing card! You have a short stun duration. What? Okay, that Sonic could have at least used him out. I'm telling you to stop or you gotta stop. Listen to your papa. Listen to your father. Are you disobeying him? No, don't go stun that thing. No! He's not surviving this. He's not surviving this.
Oh?
Dude, I pray he clutches. No, no, no. Oh my god. Dude. No! Oh my god.
What did you say? You wanna die? I will fucking rip your fucking face into every fucking body else you would make